Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Are Bitcoin transaction anonymous and traceable? Can you trace a Bitcoin transaction? Through Blockchain Explorer, one can easily track Bitcoin transaction, but it is become increasingly difficult to conduct Bitcoin transaction anonymously. It is currently possible to trace a Bitcoin or BTC transaction. Bitcoin Explorer allows you to map activity on the Bitcoin blockchain. Thanks to this transparency, transactions are traceable and you can think of the blockchain as a kind of open database full of Bitcoin transactions. Other cryptocurrencies like Ether, ETH, and Solana SOL also have their own blockchain explorers called Etherscan and Solscan. In all these explorers, you can find information about the transaction on the blockchain, such as how much crypto was sent and which address were involved in the transaction. Despite the transparency of the blockchain, many people think that you can still make Bitcoin transactions anonymously. However, more and more countries are implementing Know Your Consumer KYC rules, which require you know your customer KYC rules, which require you to reveal your identity on centralized trading platform. By disclosing your identity, it becomes a lot easier for the government to discover what transaction you have carried out and to see what is in your Bitcoin wallet. To be able to trade on a central exchange, personal data will have to be supplied to the exchange. Bitcoin address can therefore be linked to the data of previous Bitcoin transaction is not delayed. It is always possible to view past transaction. What makes Bitcoin traceable? Bitcoin transactions are traceable because Bitcoin blockchain is complete, transparent, and every transaction is publicly stored on a distributed ledger. Since 2013, various studies have been looking into tracking Bitcoin transactions and their associated identities. Although it is possible to create a certain form of anonymity with cryptocurrency, it is difficult to send transactions complete anonymously via the Bitcoin blockchain. Blockchains remain full, open, and accessible to everyone. Thanks to the transparency of the blockchain, it is possible to easily track money flows. If the identity behind a wallet address is known, that then the transaction made can be traced back and traced in the future. All that transaction can be viewed in detail. In this way, it is possible to see which amount was sent, but also on which date and to which wallet. How are Bitcoin transactions traced? With increasing legislation and surveillance, government can trace fraudulent BTC transactions more easily by finding the identity behind a Bitcoin wallet address. In recent years, millions in cryptocurrency have been seized by various governments worldwide. Criminals saw the crypto market that blockchain technology has to ever and try to buy cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin as anonymously as possible. Ultimately, this did not work out well for many fraudsters, and it can be said the Bitcoin transactions are not full anonymous. That even have helped to take in legislation in this area in intensive the search for fraudulent transaction. When trading from Bitcoin wallets whose identity is not known, transaction can be traced quickly. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.